Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to 2026. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of something truly unique, the all-new 2026 Honda Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Honda has stepped into the motorhome game, and they've done it in their signature style, smart design, solid engineering, and practical innovation. Let's take a closer look at this futuristic blend of comfort and mobility. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Honda Motorhome doesn't look like your typical RV. It's sleek, modern, and clearly engineered for aerodynamics. The body features Honda's updated design language, with sharp LED lighting, flush paneling, and a low-slung profile that helps reduce drag while maintaining a strong road presence. The front grille integrates active airflow vents, improving both efficiency and cooling. Large panoramic windows wrap around the sides, not only enhancing visibility from the inside but giving the exterior a truly upscale, almost futuristic vibe. A powered retractable awning extends from the side, ideal for setting up camp wherever your journey takes you. Now stepping inside, the interior is where Honda truly impresses. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with a layout that feels more like a smart apartment than a traditional motorhome. The cabin makes full use of space with a modular floor plan. A smart lounge area at the front transforms from a driving cockpit into a living room with swiveling captain chairs and a fold-out table. Honda uses sustainable materials throughout. Bamboo panels, recycled fabric upholstery, and ambient LED lighting give it a warm, inviting feel. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped. You get an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a dual-zone fridge, and even a smart sink that regulates water use. A sliding partition separates the sleeping quarters, where you'll find a memory foam queen-sized bed, underbed storage, and ceiling-mounted climate controls. The bathroom is compact but efficient, with a rainfall showerhead and tankless water heater, both powered by the onboard hybrid power system. Performance-wise, the 2026 Honda Motorhome is no slouch. It's powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, a combination of Honda's 2.0L turbocharged engine and dual electric motors. Together, they produce a respectable 280 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. That means it can cruise smoothly on the highway, even while towing, and still get up to 26 mpg combined, which is impressive for a motorhome. It's equipped with all-wheel drive and an advanced adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts for road conditions, keeping things smooth whether you're on the interstate or pulling into a campsite. And yes, it comes with Honda Sensing 360, so you get lane keeping, adaptive cruise, collision mitigation, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode for long hauls.